I know you're already imagining yourself to be at the top three IIMs, IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Calcutta. You've worked hard for it, and now probably you just want to know that what exactly is the culture, the vibe at that place at IIM Calcutta. Well, a few months back, I visited all of these three campuses, IIM A, B, and C. I was there, I spoke to the students, I soaked in the environment, and I understood that what exactly are the nuances of the culture at these three IIMs. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur, and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. So here we go towards this vlog, a snippet of this vlog wherein I'm sharing with you about the culture at IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Calcutta. Here we go. From there, allow me to speak to you about the third and a very important thing, which is the culture at these three campuses, which is C, B, and A. Now, the first thing which I'll share with you about IIM Calcutta's culture, the life at IIM Calcutta, the first thing is that the attendance criteria. The attendance criteria at IIM Calcutta is the lowest among IIMs B, C, and A. IIM Calcutta attendance criteria is only 75%. Further, what we need to also understand is that what exactly is the culture among the students, the friendships like. Now, it is very hard for me to explain it in words because that is something which is vibe which you can only experience here. But from what I've spoken to a lot of students here is that IIMC alums, IIMC students are extremely close knit. They are very strong as a community, very strong. Somebody will definitely help you out at whatever stage of life you are. Now, while I'm saying that, I'm not saying that it's not the same at A and B, but I personally feel it's much more stronger at C from what I could see. I'll be speaking about B to you now. Now, when we speak about the culture at IIM Bangalore, I have created a separate vlog on this thing because it is so essential, it is so important. Now, what you will understand is that while at C, I had said that there is a lot of cohesion within the students. At IIM Bangalore, you will observe the same. However, you can sense a very strong sense of individuality from all the students. Now, the reason for that is obviously because each student is an achiever. They have had academic profiles which have been impeccable, and hence each student is more self-sufficient in its complete sense of the things. And then also one very important thing which you need to see here is that at IIM Bangalore, students do not join any clubs until their summers are over, which means that in the first year, that almost for 66% of the first year, the students are not engaging as much in the club activities where the students have an opportunity to bond over some of these common interests. So simply put, at IIM Bangalore, what you can observe is that the students have a very strong sense of individuality. The students, you can sense very strong personalities of the students right when they are at IIM Bangalore. So this is something which is not the same at C or at A. So here is a very interesting thing, that what is the culture at IIM A. Now, since you know the same thing about an IIM C and an IIM B, I can simply just help you explain it with this one thing, that the culture at IIM A is somewhere right at the center of IIMs B and C. At B, I had said that the students have more individualistic personalities, where the students are more self-sufficient. They stay kind of by themselves, since in the first year up till the summers they are not in any student activities and all. At IIM A, you will find the students in a much more cohesion as compared with IIM B. However, at IIM C, what you would expect is that there is a far more closer community at IIM C. So hence, for this thing, I can simply say that while at IIM B you will find more stronger sense of self-sufficiency, at IIM C you will find a lot of groups and friends and a larger community overall. At IIM A, you will find smaller groups. However, students do operate in packs and in groups. Well then, I hope you got a good idea what the culture is like at the top three IIMs. And I'm sure that once you know about this, you'll be feeling much more inspired to work hard and be there. So with that, I'd love if you could comment and tell me how you're feeling about it. And in the next vlog, I'll be sharing with you about what exactly is the classroom experience at the top three IIMs. So stay tuned for it. I'll bring that to you up next. Thank you.